Hari Om. So we'll see today the refraction through the prism. So refraction of light through triangular prism. You know that triangular prism is 3D, right? But one surface if you see, एक surface इसका triangular रहेगा, ठीक है? So when light ray अभी ऐसे इंसिडेंट होके जाएगा, then it will bend, right? अब इसको समझो. This is very important to understand. So we'll see here. When light, suppose this is a prism. एक प्रिज्म का सरफेस है ए बी सी, इसको बोलते हैं प्रिज्म एंगल. ओके, ये ऊपर वाला प्रिज्म एंगल बोलते हैं. दिस यू कैन इंक्रीज डिक्रीज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड. इट विल कम इन डिटेल. हियर इज बेसिक. अगर मान लो लाइट रे ऐसे जा रहा है, ठीक है? अब प्रिज्म किससे बना होता है? ग्लास से. ग्लास एंड ये प्रिज्म कहाँ रखा गया है? एयर में कहीं रखा गया एयर में. सो रेयर से डेंसर, when light ray goes from rarer to denser, then what will happen?
It will refract.
It will refract and it will come towards the
normal.
Rarer to denser में वही होता है, towards the normal. But here what is normal? यही यहाँ पे you should understand it. Normal will be at see this point of incidence. यहाँ से normal. Correct? Normal means how many degree angle? 90 degree.
90 degree.
So this surface is here. So we have drawn normal. अब क्या होगा? Light will bend.
Light will bend.
Right? So how it will bend? From rarer to denser means towards the normal.
Yes.
And normal is this one. तो ये ऐसे नहीं जाएगा straight. It will bend. It will bend like this. Correct?
Yes.
So इसको जाना चाहिए था straight.
Yes.
लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है? ग्लास है. प्रिज्म किससे बना हुआ है? ग्लास.
हाँ.
So what happened is it got bent, है ना? एक बार bend हुआ. Now it is coming out from glass to air.
Yes.
वो अंदर गया प्रिज्म के. अब ये बाहर निकल रहा है.
हाँ.
तो जब denser से rarer में जाएगा तो it will go away from
the normal.
So but we have to draw the normal first.
Yes.
So how to draw normal at this point? Here again 90 degree.
Yes.
इस सरफेस पे कितना होना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. ये 90 बन रहा है, मतलब नॉर्मल है.
हाँ.
है ना? Now where it will go?
It will go away from the normal.
Away from the normal means can we? This is the normal.
Yes.
है ना? So ऐसे नहीं जाएगा, away जाएगा. Correct?
हाँ.
Correct?
हाँ.
Now if you see here, light ray is going from here, then it's refracting here and then again refracting. But what is special in prism? Because of this surface, it is bending towards the base. Base क्या है इधर? BC is base, right?
Yes.
BC is base. So light ray is bending towards the base. See, one time when it comes towards the normal, it bend towards the base.
Yes.
ये away from the normal also it is coming towards the base only. So they
Yes.
have asked one question last year that when light ray is passing through prism,
Yes.
so first there will be 2 times refraction. So they have given an option MCQ. One first refraction it will come towards the base. Second time it will go away from the base. Second option was in both refraction it will come towards the base. So answer is in both refraction it will come
Comes
towards
towards
the
the
base. That's all. Now that's all. This we call emergent ray. What we call?
Emergent.
Emergent ray. And this is emergent ray. And then what about this one? What we
That
call
is
this?
incidence ray.
Incident ray. And if they ask about angle and all, you know,
Yes.
90 degree and this one, this is I. Correct?
Angle I and angle R.
This is angle R. Correct?
Yes.
This we call angle of emergent. This one. Angle between 90 and this emergent ray.
Yes.
This is angle of emergent. Simple.
Yes.
अब यहाँ क्या इम्पोर्टेंट एक चीज और पूछता है, डिविएशन कितना हुआ.
हाँ.
डिविएशन इम्पोर्टेंट है. कितना डिविएशन हुआ कैसे पता चलेगा? देखो समझो, सपोज अभी बैंगलोर में जा रहा है, ठीक है, ऐसे सीधा, उधर कहीं कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है
हाँ.
मेट्रो का. सो व्हाट दे से टेक डाइवर्जन, राइट? तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे घूम जाते हैं, करेक्ट? ऐसे घूम जाते हैं।
हाँ
तो अगर पूछेगा कितना, व्हाट इज द डिविएशन, कितना डिविएशन हुआ है, तो इतना हुआ है, करेक्ट? एंगल ऑफ डिविएशन इज यही, करेक्ट?
यस
मतलब जहां तुम जा रहे थे, व्हाट वाज योर ओरिजिनल पाथ,
यस
उससे तुम कितना डिविएट हुए हो। तो ये तो जा रहा है सीधा,
यस
और ये डाइवर्ट, इधर तो तुम गए नहीं, तुम हो गए डाइवर्जन, है ना?
Yes.
डाइवर्ट हो गए। तो डाइवर्ट होने से एक एंगल फॉर्म हुआ, ओरिजिनल, दिस इज ओरिजिनल पाथ,
यस
एंड दिस वाज योर द पाथ व्हिच यू हैव टेकन। ये पहले ऐसे जा रहे थे तुम,
हाँ
अब ऐसे घूम गए, तो दिस इज द डेविएशन। अब इस केस में द डेविएशन इज सिंपल, व्हेन यू सी हियर दिस इज ओरिजिनल पाथ
यस
व्हिच इट वाज सपोज्ड टू गो, एंड ये है इसका इमरजेंट वाला, द फाइनल वन। तो
Yes.
इसको पीछे ले जाओ, दिस इज एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, वी रिप्रेजेंट विद डी। ये हो गया एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन। ये है हमारा इंसिडेंट रे, ये हो गया रिफ्रैक्टेड रे, ये हो गया इमरजेंट रे, ये हो गया एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, ये हो गया एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म, है ना?
यस
पूछता है, समझ में आया?
हाँ
Now, if you see after this, there is something called dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? When you
spreading of light.
here only you can understand this only. Yeah. If you see here, if we take white light, take another one. Suppose this is prism. Okay.
Yes
Now we have taken white light. White light ऐसे जा रहा है ना?
yes
Now this white light will have 7 colors. Actually white light जो बोलते हैं ना, it is nothing but combination of 7. It is a combination of
7 colors.
combination of 7 colors. हाँ? So what will happen in this out? अभी इसका 7 कलर है इसके अंदर, ये सब combined.
हाँ.
Air में when it is passing through vacuum or air, it looks like white. लेकिन it has 7 color. The moment it enters in the prism, what will happen is the 7 colors have different wavelength. Okay, means different speed.
Yes.
So which all is there? Vivigure. You know about Vivigure?
Yes
Vivigure. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, white.
yes
The 7 color is there inside that white color. Now when it enters into the prism,
yes
which is made up of glass, so it will,
disperse.
disperse. How it will disperse? The splitting of light is called dispersion.
Yes.
Splitting of white light into 7 color is dispersion. How it will disperse? According to the speed of light. So red will disperse less. Little it will, like this. Okay.
Yes
Like that, red less. This also sometimes they ask why it is bending less, because it has more wavelength.
okay
It's like कोई है जो कि एकदम ज़्यादा जंप कर, वेवलेंथ मतलब
हाँ.
पता है ना? वेवलेंथ is nothing but the light ray will move like this. है ना?
yes line of
ये है रेड का, और वायलेट का होगा कुछ ऐसे
very small wavelengths.
wavelength. तो that's why it will be slow, है ना?
yes
And since it is slow, it will, it will deviate more. इसका bending ज़्यादा होगा.
हाँ
So पहले red, after that will have different,
orange
है ना? Orange, like that. 7 color will come, है ना?
yes
Like that it will. ऐसे 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 करके 7 color बनता है. उसको बोलते हैं dispersion of
like
light, है ना? 7 color आ गया.
yes
Now Newton, what he has done is, Newton tried various combination. What he tried, he has just kept one more prism like this only, 2
Yes.
prism like this. Nothing happened, nothing special. Okay.
yes
Then he tried ulta. He has taken one more prism and he kept like this.
yes
उसके बाद क्या हुआ? ये दोनों मिलके, when it has come out means it has come like white light.
white
है ना?
yes
This is recombination of prism.
yes
So that was Newton's observation. He has done everywhere, mechanics,
yes
dynamics, and then mathematics, calculus. He has only done. Then he has done here also in optics also.
yes
So इसको बोलते हैं recombination of light,
Light.
white light through two different opposite prism. Okay, now if you see here, next part is this we have seen, it's pending. Then angle of deviation, angle of emergence, this all we have seen. Now dispersion also we have seen. 7 कलर में आया,
Yes.
अब ये ऑलरेडी देख लिए. अब ये देखो रेनबो इन स्काई, ये भी फिजिक्स में आया था रेनबो.
Yes.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, जो भी वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स है ना छोटा छोटा,
हाँ.
आफ्टर रेन यू विल सी द रेनबो. तो रेन के बाद क्या होता है कि एटमॉस्फेयर में वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स होता है.
Yes.
दैट वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स एक्ट एज ए प्रिज्म, है ना. तो उसमें क्या होगा, ऐसे सनलाइट गया इधर से, सनलाइट इधर से गया ऐसे, करेक्ट.
Yes.
अब यहाँ पे वो रिफ्रैक्ट किया
Yes.
and dispersion also.
Okay.
So here both refraction and dispersion both will happen. And
Okay. Yes.
देखो 7 color, इधर it will not show 7 color, लेकिन ये समझो रेनबो दिखता है ना 7 color.
हाँ.
Here they are not shown. तो यहाँ से गया, रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ और डिस्पर्स हुआ.
Yes.
अब इधर you understand this point. Why it is coming back? It अभी water droplet has just it's water.
Yes.
So light ray has to go, correct?
Yes.
Why it looks like coming back means reflection, right?
Yes.
लेकिन अभी देखो इसको समझो आप. This is very important. In 12th standard, nicely it will come.
हाँ.
Now just small introduction is there. इसको समझो. ये प्रिज्म में ये डेंसर मीडियम होता है, ये रेयर मीडियम, मतलब यहाँ वाटर है इधर.
हाँ.
So now light ray is coming and coming. It's like it looks like refraction. Why? So denser से rarer. We have seen in refraction chapter that when light ray is coming like this, okay, denser to rarer, it will go away from the normal. It will go like this.
Yes.
Now, if it is going away from the normal, what if we have another light like this? It will go away from the normal in such a way that there is a chance that it will go and scroll here like that.
Okay.
Okay. So the angle of incidence, okay, which is this angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence for that ray.
Yes.
This is also angle of incidence. But at this angle of incidence, we say that it is critical angle.
Okay.
What we say critical angle.
Critical angle.
Critical angle means the angle of incidence.
Yes.
Okay, it's angle of incidence. If light ray is passing like this, means it will scroll on the surface, the boundary. ये इधर ही surface पे जाने लगा.
हाँ.
Now you tell me if there is a one light ray which has angle more than critical angle, what will happen, you know?
It will bounce back.
Yeah, it will go away from the normal.
Yes.
In that way only it looks like that
It is bouncing
it's
back.
coming in the same plane. It looks like that. But
Yes.
actually it's
It is going away from the
it's
normal.
following the rule of this thing.
Refraction.
Refraction. So it's going like this. So in rainbow formation same thing happen. जब लाइट रे इधर आता है ना, जो जिसका एंगल मोर देन क्रिटिकल एंगल है, तो वो ऐसे अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल जाता है, और ताकि वो ऐसे अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल जाएगा कि वो इसी में लौट आए. दैट वी से टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन.
Okay.
So light ray, this is happening. Actually, this is following the rule of refraction only. It is coming like more than critical angle, then it will come in the same medium like that. So यहाँ भी यही हुआ है. If you see here properly, you will see that इधर ये light ray गया, इधर refraction और dispersion होगा. और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, और अगेन हियर रिफ्रैक्शन. सो यहाँ चार चीज हो गए, रिफ्रैक्शन, डिस्पर्शन, total internal reflection, again refraction.
Yes.
As soon as, wait, now when you see this rainbow formation, you'll see after rain and shape will be rainbow bow shape, na?
Yes.
Semicircle like that. You can
Yes.
see. और ये opposite to the sun, मतलब if sun is this side, rainbow you'll see that side, है ना?
Yes.
Opposite
Yes.
to the sun. That also they ask. Then coming to atmospheric refraction. Atmospheric refraction is because of air, air surrounding to earth.
Okay.
This also you should understand that now this is earth and it is surrounded by so much, this is earth, it is surrounded by layer, right, so much layer of air,
Air.
atmosphere we say.
Yes.
So when you are closer to the earth, जब तुम अर्थ के पास में हो,
हाँ.
so atmospheric pressure will be more, मतलब यहाँ क्या denser है, air dense है, और जब दूर जाओगे तो density कम होता है air का.
हाँ.
So when suppose star is here, है ना, ये मान लो तुम्हारा star है. अब star से जब light आएगा, तो when it enters into the atmosphere ये ऐसे bend हो जाएगा. क्यों bend होगा? क्योंकि atmosphere है और इसका डेंसिटी चेंज हो रहा है.
हाँ.
तो क्या होता है कि इट विल बेंड, है ना. नाउ सपोज हियर वी आर ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ, वी आर हियर समवेयर, ओके.
Yes.
नाउ व्हाट वी विल सी दैट लाइट रे इज एंटरिंग लाइक दिस, राइट.
Yes.
अब आवर आई हैज वन फॉल्ट. अपना आँख ये बेंडिंग को नहीं देख सकता है.
हाँ.
हाउ लाइट रे इज एक्चुअली बेंडिंग, ये अपना आँख नहीं देख सकता है. It will just take the light ray, the path which is coming straight. ये बस इसको सीधा ले जाएगा और इसको predict करेगा कि star is here. So this is actual position of star.
Yes.
This is apparent. Appear होगा star ऐसे. क्यों?
Okay.
Because of atmospheric refraction. One more question comes. What is twinkling effect of star? Why is star twinkle? Why we see star is twinkling? इसका आंसर क्या है? Twinkling effect because when light ray is coming, it is bending.
Yes.
But the atmosphere is keep changing.
Yes.
अभी का जो temperature है
हाँ.
और अभी का जो density of air है, it will change, है ना?
Yes.
ये बाद में बदलेगा, तो ये पूरा density बदल जाता है. तो ये again diffraction, इसका जो अब रिफ्रैक्शन होगा वो डिफरेंटली होगा, है ना. उसका रिफ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? डिफरेंटली होगा. तो हो सकता है अभी ज्यादा बेंड हो जाए, है ना.
हाँ.
फिर इसके बाद यू विल सी समवेयर एल्स, करेक्ट.
Yes.
सो इसका पोजीशन बदलेगा और इन बिटवीन इफ सपोज सम क्लाउड विल कम, देन यू मे नॉट सी.
Yes.
When you don't see, then again you will see. So because of physical condition, that air pressure density, you can see the star is twinkling, and it's very far. It's so far we see as a point object.
Okay.
It's a point object.
Yes.
So it is just one point from which light is coming. So if there is any obstruction because of cloud or the different density, you will see the twinkling effect. Then यहाँ पे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि अगर स्टार ट्विंकल कर रहा है,
हाँ.
then why planet is not twinkling? ये भी पूछता है.
हाँ.
प्लैनेट क्यों नहीं ट्विंकल करता है? क्योंकि it appears big. प्लैनेट पास में है, स्टार्स
हाँ.
दूर है.
हाँ.
So ऐसे बोलते हैं कि प्लैनेट को हम कंसीडर करते हैं there are many, you know, point size object, luminous object, है ना.
Yes.
तो बहुत सारा है, तो उसमें suppose star means consider there are so many here, okay,
Yes.
point object, सबसे light आ रहा है.
हाँ.
So this light will obstruct, but ये वाला आ जाएगा, ये वाला आ जाएगा. That's why we don't see as a twinkling. Huh?
Yes.
Planet will not twinkle, stars will twinkle
Yes.
because it is a big in size, which is combination of various tiny this thing. Now Next is we have scattering effect. ये बहुत interesting है. Why things scatter? है ना? जैसे example, why you see sky as blue? Have you thought?
Sir,
This also is
it is
important.
because sun, I guess. No, sir.
So here if you see, here this also is important. Same concept. If sun is, this is horizon, right? Horizon means you cannot see something which is here.
Yes.
अभी क्या है कि sun आ गया इधर, है ना, नीचे. So ideally you should not see because you are here.
Yes.
But what will happen? This sunlight will come here and then because of atmosphere it will bend. Now you will pretend it here. That's why it is 2 minute advanced sunrise if sun is here, down only. Okay, morning time.
Yes.
But light ray will come here and because of bending you will feel it is here.
Yes.
So actually sun has not rise but you will see it is rise. That's why 2 minutes this thing is there. 2 minutes before actual sunrise we see it. And after sunset also we can see. Okay.
Yes.
Now coming to the scattering of light, Tyndall effect. Like suppose if you are brooming evening time when
Yes.
sunlight is coming, you can see the particle, dust particle. Is it only that time particle is there, dust particle? Always it is there, but we can see because of scattering. Okay. Now Tyndall effects is also like true solution. If you mix in water, so many like salt or sugar, light will just pass.
Yes.
There will be no scattering because particle size is very 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 small. True solution. But in colloidal solution what will happen? अभी colloidal solution में क्या होगा कि particle का size ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है compared to
Yes.
true solution. उसका size बड़ा होगा. That's why it will scatter. And why this thing? If you see that why scattering happen, this is because of the size of the particles in our atmosphere, on Earth.
Yes.
There are hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, okay, nitrogen gas. So these all gases have size which scatter blue light more. The size of particle is so that
Yes.
it scatter blue light more. So that's why we see color of the sky blue. Okay.
Okay.
If it is more, okay, if the particle size is more, you can see red also. If it is even more, we will see white light.
Yes.
And sometimes they ask that why that morning you see sun as red. That is not atmospheric refraction, that is scattering. So here दो तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछता है. एक तो एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन लाइक ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार्स, है ना. एक पूछता है कलर. जब भी कलर के बारे में आए तो स्कैटरिंग है. जैसे स्काई ब्लू क्यों है? तो स्काई ब्लू इसलिए है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसका सी द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एयर एंड फाइन पार्टिकल इन एटमॉस्फेयर हैव साइज स्मॉलर देन वेवलेंथ ऑफ विजिबल लाइट. दैट्स व्हाई इट विल स्कैटर, इट विल इफेक्टिवली स्कैटर मोर ब्लू. लेकिन अब why we see sun red morning time? Because the distance is too far. Morning time the distance between us and sun is more. Similarly evening time. So उस समय क्या होगा कि blue light scatter करेगा.
हाँ.
But it will not reach to us. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उसका wavelength होता है कम.
हाँ.
तो wavelength ज़्यादा red का होता है. So red light will able to see. ऐसे ट्रैफिक इस साल 2025 का क्वेश्चन है कि डेंजर सिग्नल रेड कलर में क्यों होता है ना? क्योंकि ये लीस्ट स्कैटर होता है. वो ज़्यादा स्कैटरिंग नहीं होता है उसका.
हाँ.
उसका वेवलेंथ ज़्यादा है तो वो ज़्यादा वेवलेंथ है तो वो एकदम दौड़ के आता है ना, ऐसे
Yes.
मान के चलो. तो उसका क्या है कि इन एग्जाम व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, डेंजर सिग्नल्स आर रेड इन कलर बिकॉज इट स्कैटर लिस्ट and it has more wavelength. Okay, so this is about this chapter. Now one question we'll do and after that we'll stop. So this question, I hope last video you have seen when I have discussed about myopia and hypermetropia. So based on that only we have one question. Let's try that. Question number 6. If you try other question, it's simple. First question, The human eye can focus on object at different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye. This is because of accommodation. Last video I have explained this. The human eye forms image of the object on retina. This also last video I have explained. The least distance of distant vision of a young adult will be 25 centimeters. This also last video I have explained. The change in focal length of eye lens is caused by the action of ciliary muscles. Because ciliary muscles is only holding the lens, so this is because of ciliary muscles. Okay. This one, 5th, 6th, 7th, these 3 questions. This we have now discussed. Why do stars twinkle? Now we have discussed. Explain why the planets do not twinkle. This also we have discussed. Why does the sky appears dark instead of blue to astronomers? Because there is no atmosphere.
Yes.
In space there is no air, so it will not scatter. So when there will be no scattering, no, you cannot see any color and all. That's why you can see only the black, because nothing is there means black. That's why sky appears dark. So these 3 we have discussed. Now this 9th, what happens to the image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of an object from the eye? So when image distance of the eye, inside eye something will happen? No. So what they are telling, what happens to the image distance in the eye when we increase the distance of an object? Image will be always formed on retina, correct?
Yes.
So there will be no change inside the eye. Image will be formed on the retina, but the lens only will change. We have discussed last video. Now this, a person needs a lens, 5th question. A person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter. Okay, for correcting one part I will solve, one part you can solve and you can comment it. So 5th question, first part I will solve. A person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter. So power is given how much? What is power? Minus 5.5 diopter. Correct? Correcting is distant vision. Distant means far. Now you tell me if it is minus here, in power if it is minus, means which lens it is. We have to see, we have to understand. Power is minus 5.5 diopter. So if you see here, what is power? Power is W minus 5.5 diopter. Correct? And they ask which lens and what is the focal length of the lens which they have used. So here first power equals to 1 by, this is formula. Correct?
Yes.
So here power is given 5.5 in minus. See, remember that whenever you draw lens, this is convex, this is concave. So focal length of this one, first surface you take, make it circle. So it's coming this side. So we say positive. Focal length of convex lens will be positive and focal length of concave will be negative. So here we have power negative.
Yes.
And power is 1 by f. So if f is negative then only p is negative.
Yes.
तो f इसका नेगेटिव है, मतलब कौन सा लेंस यूज हुआ है?
Concave.
कॉनकेव लेंस यूज हुआ है, समझ में आया?
Yes.
नाउ अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, हो गया फॉर्मूला p इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय f. सो p के जगह क्या लिखेंगे? लिख लो डायरेक्ट, p के जगह माइनस 5.5 है ना, इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय f. f उधर जाएगा, f इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 बाय 5.5. Remove decimal 10 by 55
Yes.
in minus, है ना?
Yes.
If you want, you can convert in centimeter by multiplying 100. Otherwise, you will get focal length in meter. This is also important. अगर power दिया है तो focal length you will get in meter. अगर focal length दिया है मीटर में, है ना? Power you will get in diopter. अगर focal length माइनस में सेंटीमीटर में दिया है तो उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं ना. तो पावर, तो उसके लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला होता है? पावर इक्वल्स टू 100 बाय f ना. अगर f किस में है? सेंटीमीटर.
Centimeter.
तो ऐसे करके निकल गया आंसर. दूसरा तुम करो, एक और क्वेश्चन करेंगे, दैट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है ना। एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th we have done. Another part you can do. 6-1. 6-1, the far point of myopic person is 80 centimeter, है ना। फार पॉइंट कितना है?
80 सेंटीमीटर।
फार पॉइंट 80 सेंटीमीटर है। अब अगर फार पॉइंट 80 सेंटीमीटर है, what is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the person? Which eye? Myopic person, है ना। मायोपिया में when we talk about myopia, जिसका 80 सेंटीमीटर, एक फार पॉइंट ऑफ मायोपिक पर्सन इज 80 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ आई। तो मतलब कहाँ पे रखा गया है ऑब्जेक्ट को, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट पे कहाँ पे रखेंगे? जब we have seen that last video, I have explained, you refer that and then tell me, U है ना, V और F, तीन चीज चाहिए लेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करने के लिए,
यस
है ना। अब इसमें दिया है कि फार पॉइंट 80 सेंटीमीटर है, मतलब जब when we have discussed last video, I said you that मायोपिक आई मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी पे रखेंगे, है ना। ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखेंगे? इंफिनिटी पे। इमेज बनेगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लेंस, इमेज विल फॉर्म ओके ऑन द फार पॉइंट ऑफ द मायोपिक, दैट इज 80, so minus 80 centimeter, left side, right?
यस
So focal length we can find, हो गया। इसमें ये लेंस फॉर्मूला लगाना है ना,
Yes.
which is last chapter. So 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. अब u कितना है इधर? Infinity. अब देखो इसमें बच्चा फंसता है। अभी u क्या है? Infinity, है ना। तो अगर 1 by 0 को infinity बोल सकते हैं, तो 1 by u क्या? अगर u है 1 by 0, जिसको infinity बोलते हैं, so 1 by u क्या होगा? 0। तो ये हो गया 0, बस हो गया। so 1 by u हो गया 0, क्योंकि u है infinity। so 1 by f कितना हो जाएगा? 1 by v का वैल्यू माइनस 80 सेंटीमीटर है ना।
यस
so सेंटीमीटर है तो इधर
100
है ना। अब ये हो गया मीटर है। so f, ये इसको बाद में भी कर सकते हो, अभी एक काम करो, अभी मत करो इसको, यू गेट इन सेंटीमीटर ओनली, बाद में इसको चेंज करो, करेक्ट। व्हाट वी गॉट? -1 by, व्हाट इज f? ये होगा -80
सेंटीमीटर।
सेंटीमीटर। अब इसको कन्वर्ट कर लो, है ना।
यस
कि पावर पूछा है, पावर क्या होता है? पावर इक्वल्स टू
1 by f
1 by f, हाँ f पता है, लेकिन ये सेंटीमीटर है तो मीटर में बदल दो, डिवाइड बाय 100, है ना।
यस
इसको दैट्स व्हाई वी से 100 by f, ये अगर सेंटीमीटर में है तो हो गया 0 0 माइनस, so you'll get 5 by 4, so power you'll get -5 by 4 diopter 1 point something you'll get. Why it has come minus? क्योंकि कौन सा लेंस यूज हो रहा है इधर? करेक्ट, concave, that's why it has come minus automatically by default. समझ में आया?
यस
इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इसमें दो, इस चैप्टर में 2 ही न्यूमेरिकल है, हाँ।
यस
एक और देखो, एक और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है ये, make a diagram that you can refer last video. The near point of hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the power of lens required to correct the defect? Assume that near point of normal eye is 25. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे? ये कितना दिया है? The near point of hypermetropic eye is 1 meter, है ना?
यस
Near point कितना है?
1 मीटर
1 meter. अब कैसे करेंगे इसको? So अब फिर से कॉन्सेप्ट, है ना। अभी मायोपिया में u क्या था? इनफाइनाइट, लेकिन हाइपरमेट्रोपिया में u कितना होता है? -25 सेंटीमीटर, है ना।
यस
और v कितना होगा? 1 मीटर, विच इज -100
सेंटीमीटर।
अब यूज करो अगेन, 1 by f equals to
1 by E minus 1 by F.
You know U and V. You can find F.
Yes.
Then you can find power. What is power? 1 by F.
1 by F.
Hmm. So we have seen power of the lens, है ना?
Yes.
Then we have seen the prism. Prism में क्या हुआ था? Dispersion, twinkling of stars, atmospheric refraction, scattering, and then we have seen questions. All questions
Yes.
of this exercise. ठीक है? तो ऐसे ही पढ़ते रहो. Keep learning, keep shining. Okay? हरि ओम.